YouTubers, it's Clara here, and today on Clara Marie Vlogs, we are going to be making DIY Queen Elsa Winter Wonderland Fluff Salad. So, without further ado, let's get into it. What you're going to need is 16 ounces plus 8 ounces of whipped cream, vanilla pudding mix mixed with that, and as well as blue food coloring. You can make it as light as you want, but not too dark. And you're going to need a handful of mini marshmallows mixed in. So, and for topping it all off, it would not be complete without the colors of Queen Elsa's dress from the first and second and Frozen movie, just for a nice little touch, and as well as Snowflake sprinkles. Let it go, let it go. You know. And I also wore a light blue top just for fun, to get in the spirit of Queen Elsa. Anyway, so what we're going to do is add about a handful of mini marshmallows into our mousse, basically, with blue food coloring. And once you get all that in, we're just going to mix it or fold it in. Try to be generous with this. Make sure you get all the spots in there. Just add this in. Make sure it's all evenly distributed. I might have some of this a little left for me to nibble on later, or maybe not. You could also probably do this with another, if you don't want to use vanilla pudding mix, you could also use another color. Probably I'd say either cheesecake or any other white colored pudding mix. So once this is all mixed together, I might need a little bit more. You are going to put it in a little bowl, and you're going to top it off with the Queen Elsa pearls, Sixlets candy. Or if you don't have Sixlets candy or you can't find them at the store, you can use blue M&Ms. Probably a nice variety of blue shades if you want it. Or it can be just dark blue, whatever you choose. And sprinkle bay with it. Maybe I'm not that good, but now, here we are. Now let's give it a taste. Good stuff. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, I hope you comment and be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified of new videos. And that's all for now. Bye!